ride, stay in a seated position and hold on to the handles with both hands. As soon as you reach the bottom of the slide, you can exit by swimming to the stairs, being careful of the strong current. Thanks.
Okay, this is a thank you to Mr. Brian Boyd. Water's a little cold, but should be fun. And we put the inner tube back. Ready, Maya?
No. Scared. Ready, set, go.
Oh. Go push, Maya, push! 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 Yes, there. Give me the rest. Give me that. Jump off, kiddo.
Is it fun?
Maya.
I guess I'm obsessed with that thing. Do you think anybody here is handicapped?
I don't know, are you?
No. Hi!
It reminds me of over at Fantasyland, like all the. Oh, I'm picking my nose.
Look at your nose.
This is awesome.
You know what would be worse than getting stuck up here? Getting stuck up here without beer.
I was just gonna say, what would be great is if getting stuck up here with beer.
How do you keep your beer cold?
Just drink it. This is awesome.
Oh yeah, this is the best ride in the park.
It is.
Ow!
I don't know, your mom talks too much. I crush you with my feet! I crush you with my feet!
I'm like afraid to be up here.
I pinch you with my toes. Pinch, pinch.
What happens if you miss it? Like,
Right.
does it ride for you?
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
What?
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
I didn't know the chairlift stopped.
I'm like, kind of like, oh.
Have a great ride.
first.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Jump! Jump! All right, 137 steps. I'm bored. You're all bored with me. They're all bored, right? Bored? Bored. There we go. 137 steps.
I already worked it off. Lost 1 minute. It's not like it's raining.
137 steps. Come on, let's go. Okay, I think that's more than 137. Quick break. All right, let's go.
No, you should type. You should pause it and then get to the top. Put it on, edit it on.
All right, we're done running. We're walking the rest of the stairs.
Bonnie's in last place. Hurry, walk.
Almost there. Where did it go? Wheelchair. Need a wheelchair.
How would you get up here in a wheelchair?
Welcome to Team Focus Race. For your safety, please remain seated in the back and hold on to the handles with both hands. As soon as these are bottom of the slide,
Oh my God. Happy feet.
Oh my gosh, this line isn't moving.
Bye, Maya. Atomic wedgie. I got a wedgie. All right, here comes your mom.
please remain seated. The chair is holding moving momentarily.
Please remove bathing suit from butt.
Whoa!
Please remain seated.
Daddy!
We've discovered a new species here at Disney. It's a crawling lizard that's got stripes and hairy legs. Hairy legs. New species. Here we have the Bearilla. We cruise down the river. We find ourselves with a square little worm holding thing. She's quite ornery, drinks too much alcohol, but she steals from the tourists drinking their alcohol. And that makes the Bearilla very angry. Aye, mate, there it is again. That squirmy lizard sometimes goes by the name Mother, Old Lady, My Old Lady. Sometimes they use the B word. Maya, what do you think?
have to steer in the boat.
Where's the beer?
I'll just go through it.
You guys want to see something funny?
Want to see something funnier?
I'm gonna go get a beer. I'm getting a beer now. Bye, Jen. Hold on to the handle. I got you still on. Hold on to the handle. Get up. Get yourself up. There you go. Come on, Mama. You are so into rules. Remember, those hold you up, and if your legs balance.
You don't mess with my little man. You picked me up.
Come on, you do it. Swing like a monkey.
Don't let anybody on right.
Swing like a monkey. Can you use your arms only? Like a jungle gym. Arms only. You can do it. You can do it. Arms only. Arms only. You do it. Come on. Go, monkey girl. Go, monkey girl. my flip? Where was my flip?
You didn't get one. Deal with it.
All right, no allowance for a week.
You didn't give me an allowance.
Oh, sorry, my bad. This is big hug. He's gonna bite you.
Oh, deal. Jump, jump. Close your mouth. You're gonna get bugs. Oh, close his mouth.
Yeah, that's a Florida hospital.
How do you get right there? Down there. How do you get down there, Daddy?
That's what we did.
Oh my god, that was stupid. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh my god, my dog's gonna scream.
The last one on the